Hello and welcome to CLMB's Crack Knuckle Productions. My name is Chris, and today I want to be talking to you about lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Alright, so if you're like me and confused about these two terms, I hope that this will be at least a bit educational for you. Lines of latitude, going north to south, are represented by horizontal lines. Lines of longitude, east to west, are represented by vertical lines. 1 degree latitude is not dependent upon where you are on the map. It is always going to be 111 kilometers or 69 miles. But 1 degree of longitude is dependent on how close you are to the poles. At the equator, or 0 degrees, each line is separated by approximately 111 kilometers or 69 miles. But at 45 degrees, 78 kilometers, 48 miles. At 89 degrees, it's approximately 1.94 kilometers or 1.21 miles. At 90 degrees, 0 and 0. And I'll be sharing this link below, but here's the calculator that I found. And so what we do is we can say, okay, where's your map going to be located? Let's say 60 degrees north or south latitude. And we press calculate, and there you go. So now you have yourself a distance between each line of latitude at 60 degrees north or south. It is 34 miles or 55 kilometers. All right. I hope that's been educational, and happy world building.